Hi there folks, this is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialists. Please check out our website, www.truckandrv.com. That's truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. We do not put any pricing on YouTube, so if you have any price inquiries, please give us a call, email us, text us, or you can jump over to our website as all of our prices are listed on there. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer warranty packages as well as financing. If you have any questions on those, please call my brother Luke in our office at 419-899-2020. For sale today, we have a 2005 Roadtrek 190 Popular. All right, folks, I'm going to show you the inside of this Roadtrek 190 Popular. I'm currently sitting in the driver's front seat. This model has the extra jump seat behind the passenger seat. As you can see, we've got cloth interior. Control center up top here, remote start switch for the Onan generator, fantastic fan in the ceiling, Cool Cat heat pump, will give you heat or AC, kitchen area, got a 2-burner cooktop under here, kitchen sink, gas or electric refrigerator down bottom that can run off 110, 12 volt, or propane gas. Microwave up top. Here we've got the controls for your propane furnace, and then also the Cool Cat heat pump. Samsung flat screen TV. Roadtrek does a really good job of using everywhere that they're possible to use for storage. Behind door number 1 here is the restroom. Back around. This one is just some shelving, and also your looks like we got a TV switch down there. Opposite side, another cabinet with a few shelves. The bed in the rear here, I forgot to show you that. The bed is formed by using the table. You would drop the table in this space. It sits on the ledges there. Then you bring all the cushions down, rearrange those to just form one large bed. So this does have one large bed in the rear here. Spun back around. This is the cabinet directly behind the driver's seat. Got some couple shelves up top and some racking down bottom. The legs for the table are in that cupboard, and then the table is right behind the seat right there. If you have any questions on this one, please give us a call. Kuhn Truck and RV, 419-899-2020. Thank you for watching this video. I put these together not only for our potential customers, as well as everybody else on YouTube out there to get a feel of what it's like to be inside of this RV. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. Thank you and have a good day.